The 15W 3-in-1 wireless charger stand fast charging dock station is the perfect choice for Samsung users. Specifically designed for Samsung devices, this charging station is a great replacement for Android charging stations. It supports a wide range of Samsung models including Galaxy Z Flip, Z Flip 5G, Z Flip 3 to Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold, the Z Fold 2, the Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4, Galaxy S22 Ultra, S21, S20, S10, S10e, S10 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, Galaxy Note 2010, A10 Plus, 9-8, as well as Galaxy Buds, Buds Plus, Buds Pro Live, and AirPods 2, 3 Pro. Note, only supports earbuds with wireless charging cases. Samsung Galaxy Watch Charger. The upgraded Samsung wireless charger is compatible with Galaxy Watch 5, Watch 5 Pro, Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, Watch 3 Active 2e Active 1. It's a perfect addition to your office, bedroom, study, hall, or desk. Attention! Not compatible with Apple Watch, Galaxy Watch Gear, Sport, Fit, Live series. For optimal charging, please remove your watch case before charging. Ultra-safe Samsung charging station. Equipped with intelligent protection technology, this charging station provides multiple safety features including over-temperature protection, over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and foreign objects detection. The heat dissipation holes on each charger's back ensure stable and safe charging for your Samsung phone. Friendly charging indicating. The independent LED indicator lights at the bottom of the charging station provide clear charging indication for each Samsung device, phone, Galaxy Watch, and earbuds. These lights ensure you can see the charging status at a glance without disturbing your sleep. Specifications. Material, ABS. For mobile phone output, 5W divided by 7.5W divided by 10W divided by 15W. For Galaxy Watch output, 5W max. For AirPods output, 5W max. Transmission distance, less than or equal to 6 mm. Charging efficiency, greater than or equal to 73%. Color, black or white. This 3-in-1 wireless charger is compatible with all Samsung watches, phones, and earphones that support wireless charging, making it a versatile and essential accessory for all Samsung users.